How to make keto almond cookies, a delightful low-carb treat. Keto almond cookies are the perfect solution to satisfy your sweet tooth while keeping your carb intake in check. These cookies are not only delicious but also incredibly easy to make. Ingredients: 1.5 cups almond flour. 2. ½ cup granulated erythritol or your preferred keto-friendly sweetener. 3. 1/4 cup melted coconut oil. 4. 1 egg. 5. ½ teaspoon vanilla extract. 6. ½ teaspoon baking powder. 7. A pinch of salt. 8. 1/4 cup sugar-free chocolate chips, optional, but highly recommended for extra flavor. Step 1. Preheat your oven. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Step 2. Mix dry ingredients. In a mixing bowl, combine the almond flour, granulated erythritol, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Stir these dry ingredients together until well incorporated. Step 3. Combine wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together the melted coconut oil, egg, and vanilla extract until they form a smooth mixture. The coconut oil adds a delightful richness to the cookies, while the egg and vanilla extract provide the necessary binding and flavor. Step 4. Combine wet and dry mixtures. Now, pour the wet ingredients into the bowl with the dry ingredients. Use a spatula or wooden spoon to mix everything together until a cohesive cookie dough forms. If you're feeling adventurous, this is the perfect time to fold in the sugar-free chocolate chips. Step 5. Form cookie dough balls. Using your hands, scoop up small portions of the cookie dough and roll them into balls, roughly the size of a walnut. Place the dough balls on the parchment-lined baking sheet, leaving some space between them as they will spread while baking. Step 6. Flatten and bake. Once you've formed all the dough into balls, gently press each one down with the back of a fork to create a crisscross pattern on top. This step not only gives your cookies an appealing appearance but also ensures even baking. Bake in the preheated oven for 10 to 12 minutes or until the edges turn golden brown. Step 7. Cool and enjoy. Remove the keto almond cookies from the oven and allow them to cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes. They will be soft when they first come out of the oven but will firm up as they cool. After they've cooled slightly, transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely.